Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Children, this is a first chapter number 1, matter, and we have already done about the kinetic theory of matter and the three states of matter, that is solid, liquid and gas, and what are the differences between solid, liquid and gas. Now the next topic is change of state. Now what is change of state? The change of matter from one physical state to another is called change of state. Like solid changes into liquid and liquid changes into gas. So the changing of one physical state of matter to another is called change of state. In change of state, the solid changes into the liquid state on melting and the liquid changes into the gaseous state on boiling, and the gaseous state changes into the liquid state on cooling, that is condensation, and the liquid state changes into the solid state on cooling, that is freezing, and the solid state when directly changes into the gaseous state, that is sublimation, and when the gaseous state directly changes into the solid state, that is deposition. We have seen that the state of matter can be changed by either heating or cooling. Like ice is the solid state, so ice changes into water and water changes into water vapor on heating. Similarly, water vapor, which is the gaseous state, it changes into water and water changes into ice, that is into its solid form on cooling. So state of matter can be changed by either heating or cooling. Ice on heating changes into water, and water on heating changes into water vapor, and water vapor on cooling changes into water, and water on cooling changes into ice. Let's see what is melting. Melting is the process during which a solid changes into its liquid state at a fixed temperature on heating. So change of ice into water on heating is an example of melting. So ice on melting changes into water at 0 degrees Celsius, and the fixed temperature at which a solid changes into its liquid state is called its melting point. What is freezing? Freezing is the process during which a liquid changes into its solid state at a fixed temperature on cooling. So change of water into ice on cooling is an example of freezing. So water changes into ice on freezing at 0 degrees Celsius, and this fixed temperature at which a liquid changes into its solid state is called the freezing point. Now there is one more process, that is boiling, and the process during which a liquid changes into its gaseous state at a fixed temperature on heating is called the boiling, and this fixed temperature is called the boiling point. Now what is condensation? Condensation is the process during which a gas changes into its liquid state at a fixed temperature on cooling. So change of steam into water on cooling is the example of condensation, and the fixed temperature at which a gas changes into its liquid state is called the condensation point. Now next is sublimation. As I have already discussed, that the process during which a solid directly changes into its gaseous state on heating is called sublimation. Examples are ammonium chloride, solid iodine, camphor, dry ice, naphthalene, etc. Now deposition, it is the process during which a gas directly changes into its solid state on cooling. Now these are naphthalene balls, and they also sublime on heating. Now this is camphor, it also sublimes on heating. Sublimes means this solid state directly changes into the gaseous state. So this is dry ice, which is solid carbon dioxide, and on heating it sublimes. Now here is an activity showing sublimation and deposition of ammonium chloride or camphor. So take a china dish and put some crushed ammonium chloride or camphor in it. Then cover it with a funnel and put a cotton plug at the narrow end of the funnel. Now place it on a tripod stand and heat it. On heating, what happens? Ammonium chloride or camphor directly changes into white vapor, and the vapor rises up, and when it reaches the cooler portion of the funnel, it gets condensed. Now what is the conclusion? That ammonium chloride or camphor is a sublimable substance that can be changed from solid state to gaseous state and from gaseous state to solid state directly.